Hello, my name is Snyder Polo. I am 26 years old. I am from San Andrés de Sotavento. I live in Plaza Bonita with my parents. Is another small town. I am studying of health administration. I belong to the Cap Saloon. My favorite TV show is Close Case. And my favorite sport is the accelerator. My mother is Miriam Pacheco. She is 58, 58 years old. She is housewife. She is from San Andrés de Sotavento. My mother is very nice. Is she is short. She has black hair and she has black hair. My father is Jose Polo. He is 60 years old. He is farmer. He is from Cartagena de Indias. My father is very nice. He is tall. He has black eyes and he has black hair. Eh, my father is Arisme Polo. He is 20, 25 years old. He is soldier. He lives in Medellin, Antioquia. My father is nice. He, he has hair black eyes and he has black hair short. My sister Ingrid Polo, she is 29 years old. She wears a server. She lives in Sincelejo Sucre. My sister is very nice. She is short. She has black hair, eyes, and she has black long. My sister is Sandra Polo. She is 28 years old. She wears a central service. She lives in Piedecosta, Santander. My sister is very friendly. She is short. She has black eyes and she has black locks. My brother is Kevin Polo. He is 20 years old. He is shoulder. He lives in Florencia Caquetá. My father is very friendly. He is tall. He has hair, black eyes, and he has black shorts. Thank you. Bye bye.